So the iPhone 14 was released a while ago, and there is this new feature called the Dynamic Island, which everyone is interested about, but sorry for the Android users, as the new Pixel phone was released and most people wished to see the Dynamic Island, but it wasn't there. Problem solved. If you are an Android user, and you really want to get your hands on the Dynamic Island, here is the solution. There is an app you can find on the Play Store. It's called dynamicSpot. So what it does is it simulate the exact iPhone Dynamic Island on your Android. Here are the features. Also, you can customize it. You first need to activate the app. You can select which apps activate the pop-up. Also, you can change pop-up settings and appearance. So the Dynamic Spot work well. Like what the iPhone Dynamic Island does, every notifications pop up at the top. And also you can multitask with it also.
Like this, which doesn't show up in screenshots or screen recordings, it's just a gap. But there are about 30 different things that it does to indicate ongoing activities and background activities and things that are all beautifully animated and super smooth with these fluid physics. It's so friendly and approachable, and all of these things that it does show up in screenshots and screen recordings. The best part is pretty much everything works straight out the box as you would expect it to. So I had this moment during the first impressions video where I was like, oh, can't wait for Apple Music to use it, but then Spotify to take like a year and a half to actually update their app to work with this. But nope, everything works straight out the box, including Spotify, because that already uses the Now Playing API. They already had a lock screen widget. Same with SoundCloud, same with YouTube Music and Pocket Casts. So you have album art and the color matching waveform up there while the media is playing. If you tap it, it'll open the app that's playing. And if you long press it, you actually get a widget that pops up with some media controls like in Scrub and everything, pretty much the exact same widget that would appear in the lock screen. So this feels kind of backwards. I think a tap should open the widget and then a long press should open the app, and that would just make more